Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Have you ever downloaded a file and thought, is this a photo, a video, or a dangerous file? Because Windows 11 hides file extensions by default, you cannot see whether a file is .jpg, .pdf, or .exe. This can be risky and confusing. So in this video, I will show you 3 safe and easy methods to show file extensions in Windows 11. So let's get started. First one method is through File Explorer view menu. For this, open File Explorer by searching through a start menu or pressing Windows plus E keys on the keyboard. After that, click on this one view in the menu and hover mouse over show, and then here check this one option, file name extensions. Now file name extensions will be visible beside each of the file, as you can see on my screen. To unhide it, again go to the same path, view, show, and uncheck this one, file name extensions. Next one method is through folder options. For that, click on the start button and type folder options, and in the search results click on File Explorer options. Under File Explorer options, switch to this one view tab, and here you will see this one option, hide extensions for known file types. By default it will be checked. Just uncheck it and click apply, and from now you can see on your PC file extensions will be visible. To make it invisible, again check this one option and click on the apply, and then OK. Now file extensions will be invisible. Last one method is through Windows settings, that is new. For this, open a start menu and type settings, then click on settings in the search. Here click on this one system, then click on advanced, then click on File Explorer. Here you will see option show file extensions. Just turn it on to show the file extensions, and to hide just toggle this one, switch off. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe it, and if you find this video helpful, press thumbs up. Bye bye.